When it comes time to print your job, you can either tap your access card on the printer, as indicated in this diagram here, or you can select the bar underneath PIN and then enter your PIN number, followed by OK. In this window, you can see a list of jobs ready to print, and these are the jobs that are associated with your account. Underneath the title of the job, you can see how much it's going to cost to print the job, and you can also see here how long it's going to take to print the job. If you select the star here, this job will now be moved into the Favourites folder for easy recall and printing later on. The Settings button here takes you into some more information about your job, and you can also see what your job is going to look like. This is the printed job list. In here you can see all the jobs that you have printed. You can select a job from here and reprint again. You can also add that job into the favourites if it hasn't already been added, and you can preview the job from here as well. In the favourites queue here, these are all the jobs that you've added as favourites. You can also select that job from here and reprint from the bottom. When you're ready to print your job, simply select the job, then select Print, and you'll notice that the front door of the printer will pop open. At this time, you need to prepare the print bed for printing.